In a rivalry matchup tonight as the UCF Knights and the USF Bulls will square off on this Wednesday evening. Backs down Steph Blair. Guerrero goes up. His hook shot blocked by Steph. Guerrero in the lane, loses it. Picked up Brandon Goodwin. Knights need more of those. Daquan drives in the lane. His layup is good. Nice move by Daquan Walker with the basket. He's out, driving in the lane. Shot blocked by Adonis Enriquez. Speeds down low. Shot is up, blocked by Casey Wilson. Loose, picked up by B.J. Taylor. He blocked Ziegler's shot. B.J. with a dribble, drives, contact, and yes, and one. B.J. Taylor with a drive, and a chance at a three-point play. Brandon gives it out. B.J. fires a three. We need one. And we got one. A three-pointer by B.J. He's got 5. Rebound to Cousins down low. Blocked by Steph Blair. Picked up by Brandon Goodwin. He's wide open. He gets it down low. Goes in, feeds Steph Blair, who dunks it in. That's down to Casey Wilson. Casey drives in. His hook shot's up and good for Casey, who's got 6. On the floor that drives in. His shot blocked by Steph. Down to Steph Blair. On Guerrero, and Steph dunks it in. Guerrero tried to get the offensive foul. Instead, Steph gets the dunk. And then Goodwin fires a 3. No. Rebound, Shaheed Davis goes back up and goes in. Daquan for 3 is good to get it back. Got to get stops, though, here. Down to McBride. Goes up with the left, and it goes in. Steph Blair down low. Goes in on Cousins, and with the left, it goes in. Brandon gets to the baseline. His floater's up and in.
Fans, don't forget you can follow the Knights on social media.